Hey, what's up everybody? It's the Sir Pals here. Swadee Kap! Get say hello everybody. We are at the Amari Hotel in Bangkok, Thailand. First time for me and it's first time for these guys. Why are you laughing?
I don't know.
They think it's funny. Anyway, we're at Bangkok, Thailand, staying at the Amari Hotel. Roy, if you're listening and you wanted to get married in Thailand, this is a hotel to go to, mate, because it's absolutely fabulous. But I'll show you around later on inside. But anyway, these guys finding something funny, but we'll carry on walking because we are now going to Siam Paragon just to do a little bit of shopping there. Basically, Amari Hotel is basically in the heart of everywhere that you want to go. So you've got Hillary 11, you boys know what I mean. That's literally 10 minutes that way. You got Nana Club, which is 10 minutes that way. Excellent. So we're gonna go to Siam Paragon now. Gonna catch a tuk-tuk. Hey, what's up? We're in Siam Paragon. Krish and Sarika are getting a Taco Bell. They don't want to try the local food, vegetarian and stuff. The one. Me and Aryan, we have gone for this bad boy here. Let's have a look. This place here. The food is really, really nice. Right, so we've gone for this one here. That one there. So it's the crab roe rice and the tom yum kung. Now, Thai spice is on another level. When you say spicy, it's not like mild or hot. It's like nearly Vindaloo style. So, and I've had a couple of bites, and I'm already snotty. Aryan, how's your food?
Very good. Very
it's
spicy
nice,
as well.
Yeah, but it's got so much flavour in it though, hasn't it? So we've got the chicken, and it tastes good. Have you sent it to Alistair?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Sarika's here. It's so good.
Is it?
You would like it
Yeah.
without the you can make it without the meat. So I think next time
Yeah.
Oh, you
have it without the meat.
Oh, that's good.
Charlie, you want to try?
having a look.
Charlie, you want to try?
Okay.
It's really good. It's chicken. Just try it a little bit. Just try it a little bit here. Hold the spoon. Take this.
I'm going to just dip it in there a little bit so I can see what it tastes like. Oh, you should have your...
Why are you giving these?
No? Oh yeah. I've got a cold. You're infected now. He's infected. But I'm going to carry on eating because I'm like sweating here now and I need him to eat this because it's so chilly. So catch you in a bit. Alright. Doesn't matter where you go, Sarika finds them. Okay, let's go. Hello.
Hannah?
She come home with you now.
Quick. Have perfume tomorrow.
Alright, I'll let you carry on. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Right, we've eaten, we've sweated. When I mean Thai chili is chili, it's like on another level. Me and Aryan took, I think, about 45 minutes. We took 45 minutes to eat it, didn't we?
Oh,
Yeah, or more, because it's so chilly. But the flavours of it, of the garlic, the ginger, and everything else, it's just so good. But we can do some shopping now. So we are looking around to see where to go. Right, you want aftershaves?
Yeah, but if it's too expensive, I'm not going to get it. Hey, there's one called Perfume Damali.
He's expecting me to buy it, but
No, I've got my cash. You saved up.
yeah, it's saved up. Okay, what kind of aftershave do
There's
you want?
Perfume Damali there. But there's a Mouche.
A moosh boosh.
Yeah. But there's different ones now there.
Okay, homage.
Yeah. Look,
Oh
there's
yeah,
a
yeah,
curly
yeah.
one.
Okay, so we have this one. We've got that one.
Yeah.
We've tried these though.
Yeah. But that's what, those are the main ones.
Okay. So So which ones do you like?
Apparently this one's a good one.
Alright, have a sniff. Right, we're in the posh part of the mall now in Siam Paragon. Oh, that's Tesla. We got the Cybertruck just there. Let's take a look. Because personally, I think it's pretty ugly. I mean, I know it's supposed to look futuristic, but not my kind of taste. Looks too industrial for me. Let's see. If
Should I get
do, you
an
want,
iPhone
do, you want,
today?
do you want to upgrade?
Shall I? That's the 15 Pro Max.
I would upgrade it in a couple of years.
No, I'll upgrade it in a couple months because the 16's coming out on October.
Which one have you got?
14.
14.
I'll show you. There's not much difference.
Yeah, so what's the point upgrading?
Yeah, that's what I'm going to upgrade in 2 months' time.
Are you really?
Yeah.
Okay. Are they famous, are they, Aaron? Are they? Yeah. Do you want a case?
For me?
Yeah.
Side? Yeah.
No, but I'm sure they'll do the Samsung.
I don't need to.
Any good?
That Samsung? Yeah. Oh, they do? Yeah. That's quite cool.
Then you're not going to be able to
Protection
use.
Ultimate. What?
You're not going to be able to use your charger.
It is?
Not in there.
Oh yeah, not in these ones alone. Oh my god. That's cool.
Star Wars. Charlie, do you want one?
No.
No?
I'm fine.
Chris isn't bothered. Right. I think I shall check out the Rolls Royce. Yeah, I'll buy one. Should we buy a Rolls Royce? There you go. Right, after a manic day of shopping, we're at a rooftop Indian restaurant called Barwachi. We're going to check it out, and guess what? It's near Hillary's 11. Can you believe it? So after this, we're going to go for some drinks and listen to some live music. And quite a nice hotel at the moment. A lot of Indians, obviously. I do. Looking very smart. You out on the pull, Aryan?
Yes.
Right, Sarika, what are you having to eat?
I'm having a tawa fry, paneer,
Yep.
dal makhni, raita, and garlic naan.
Nice. And you boys are having chicken curry with garlic naan, jeera rice. And I've got the lamb rogan josh with naan. And it's nice, it's delicious. Needed some home food, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yes. Right, we by Club Nana now. Just walking down the strip, and hopefully Aryan can get in because apparently you have to be 20 to get into clubs and bars around here. So we'll wait and see. Hello everyone. It's 7:15 in the morning. We've just finished from Lucky's nightclub in Bangkok. Aryan, can you tell us how it was?
It was the best club ever.
The best club ever, he said. Absolutely amazing. Atmosphere is brilliant. If you ever want to come to Bangkok and you want an all-nighter, just go to Lucky Club. Hello ladies and gentlemen. We have just come back from Lucky's bar. Aryan, how was it?
That was amazing. Best club ever. Best club.
Best club ever.
Yeah.
Yeah? So, boys, Ivy, it's the Ivy Club. It's what, 7:30 in the morning now, so he's definitely in the Ivy Club.
Yes.
Sarika and Krish will be asleep, obviously.
Or they'll be awake now.
Well, yeah, for breakfast. We just need sleep, don't we, Aryan?
A lot of sleep.
A lot of sleep, yes.
This is the same time we got from the flight as well.
Yeah.
Around
So
six.
was this club something that you never imagined to be?
No. Like, just when it got packed, it was amazing.
Yeah, so we got there, and it's pretty dead. And as soon as 4 o'clock hit, heaving. But anyway, shh.
Good night.
We're here now, so we've got to be quiet because Sarika and Krisha are asleep. So we're gonna go to sleep.
Yeah.
So we'll see you in a couple of hours. Bye bye. Sawadee. Hey, what's up, everybody? Right, yesterday was quite entertaining. So Arin and I, we went to Nana Club. He couldn't get in because you have to be 20 years old to get into clubs in Thailand, which I never knew. Even though he's got about a month and a half left until he's 20. But they just basically said, no, sorry, he can't come in. So we were a bit gutted about that. We were about to leave, come back to the hotel, and the taxi driver said, oh, why don't you go to Lucky's? But I had that in my mind anyway, Lucky's Club, but I thought, well, you'll have to be 20 anyway to get into there, so what's the point in trying? But the taxi driver basically said, don't worry, I guarantee that you'll get in. So we got there, basically showed his ID and say, look, he's 19, he's going to be 20 in 1.5 months. And they said, you know what, no problem, just pay 300 bahts for entry fee and a free drink. And we got in. So we got in, I think about 1:30, 2 o'clock in the morning we got there. It was pretty dead then anyway. But I think about 3:30 after that it started getting busy. And the IV boys knows how busy it does get. It is absolutely heaving. Still on the speaker, dancing away. It is absolutely amazing. Ari and I got back, I think about 8 o'clock in the morning. Had a few hours sleep, and now we're at the rooftop hotel. The Amari Hotel on the rooftop, just enjoying some light lunch and gonna go for a swim. So this is the area, if you wanna have a look. That's the swimming pool. You got your cabanas. And they are the Serpal family chilling. So we've just ordered some pizzas, and in a couple of minutes they're gonna fire up the barbecue and get some shrimps on the barbie. So can't wait for that. You know, this is the bar area here. Yeah, so to be fair, not really hungover that much. Are you hungover, Aryan?
What is this? No.
No? That'll be
syrup,
cream.
Sugar syrup. Sugar syrup.
Yeah, how you feeling?
I'm gonna have
Aryan, how you feeling?
Fine.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. How you feeling?
I'm okay.
She's got a bit of a head cold.
Yeah.
Yeah. And Monty,
The rest. Actually, no. Don't
how are you, sir? Are you happy you're swimming?
I'm very happy.
Yes.
That's milk. That's
Yeah, so gonna get some food in, get our energy. But it's weird though, because you can drink as much as you want in Thailand.
There's a lot
No,
there.
no.
And I'd never wake up with a hangover. I'm actually sort of like, I'm feeling tired, but not hungover. England, you have a couple of pints, next morning I've got a headache, I've got migraines coming on, feeling really bad, you know. But here, I'm like, yeah, I'm ready to go again, which we probably will. So I'll probably get hair off the dog after my food and go for a swim. So don't know what we're going to be doing later on today. Probably going
the mall.
shopping. Which mall?
The platinum across
The Platinum Mall we're going to go to. We did want to go to some temples today, but we never woke up because we got to bed about 8:30, woke up about 1:30, 2 o'clock. By the time we got ready and everything, the temples would be closing, and it's far too hot to go during the day in the late afternoon. It's better to go in the morning because it's cooler then, because temperature at the moment is about 35, I would say. Yeah, definitely about 35, 36. But it's nice, it's not humid, it's quite a nice dry heat, so it's tolerable. I'm gonna have my water and then go for a swim now. So probably see you later on. Ta-ta.